Hey everybody, welcome back. First I'm going to start with this MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm just going to apply this to my eyelid. Then once it's down, I'm going to take this Real Technique buffer brush and I'm just going to blend everything out so that everything is nice and seamless. Taking the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to go into the shade Enchanted and I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush and I'm just going to pat this into my crease. I'm doing the reverse method, so I'm starting with the darkest shade first and then I'm going to go further into the lighter shades afterward to blend everything out. Then I'm going into the Morphe 35M palette and I'm taking the shade Stroke of Luck and it's like a lime green shade, and I'm going to use this on a Wet n Wild blending brush and I'm going to blend the edges of that Enchanted shade out. Taking a clean brush, I'm going to use this to blend out the edges of the shade Stroke of Luck. Then I'm going to go back into Enchanted and Stroke of Luck to further enhance those colors. Or bring those colors back, whatever. Then I'm going to go into my MAC Prolonged Wear Concealer in the shade NC15 on a NYX concealer brush. And I'm just going to carve out my crease. And how I'm doing it is I am just patting the concealer onto my eyelid, and then later I'll further go in and make the edges nice and straight and even and crisp and whatever else you want to say. Once I had my crease cut out, I went back and patted out the edge of the crease with my finger, and then I added the Enchanted to the outer V of my eyes, and then I'm going to use the J-Cat eye topper in the shade Wink Tink, and I'm just going to apply this directly onto the eyelid. While that eye topper is still wet, I'm going to go into the Eye Candy glitter in the shade Sour Apples, and I'm going to place this glitter over top that Wink Tink shade from J-Cat. And I'm just using a flat concealer brush, a smaller concealer brush, to add that. Off camera, I finished my face and I'm going to go in with a Morphe brush. Not sure what number this is, but I'll leave it down in the description bar. And I'm just going to add the shade Enchanted closest to my lash line, and I'm going to blend it out later on with the shade Jada out of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. After all that is done, we're going to go into lips. And since it is fall and all of the dark colors are here and it's October and it's Halloween and all of that, I thought that I would pull out my dark colors. So what I'm doing is lining my lips with the MAC Feline. I think it's an eye coat, but I'm going to use it as a lip liner because I have no black eyeliners or lip liners. And I'm going to line my lips with that, smudge it out, and then I'm going to put the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit lipstick in the shade Emerald over top, and then I'm just going to make sure that everything is smudged together and there are no harsh lines anywhere. This is the final look. I put my wig on. My eyes are done, my lips are done, my highlight is popping. I mean, what else can we say? My lashes are popping. If you guys like this video, if you want to see more from me, give me a thumbs up. like, comment, and subscribe. And don't be afraid to leave a comment down in the comment section and tell me what you want to see. I don't care what it is. Like, what do you want to see from me? I'm here to teach. I'm here to do. So let me know. Until next time, you guys, take care.